Want to effortlessly launch your favorite Adobe apps without hunting through your programs folder? This tutorial will show you how to create helpful shortcuts for Adobe Creative Cloud applications on both Windows and Mac, so you can get straight to creating. First, locate the Adobe Creative Cloud app icon on your desktop. If it's not there, then click on your Start menu Windows or Applications folder Mac. Find the specific Adobe application you want to create a shortcut for things like Photoshop, that are inside the Adobe Creative Cloud folder. Right-click on the apps icon on Windows. A context menu will appear. Select More, then Open File Location on a Mac. Hold the Command key and then drag the icon onto your desktop. This creates an alias. This will lead you to the app's original location shortcut on Windows. Right-click on the icon of the application. Then select Create Shortcut. Drag the shortcut onto your desktop. The shortcut should appear there now. For the Mac shortcut, the alias, it's already on your desktop. Now let's customize your shortcut. Right-click this new shortcut icon. Select Rename, and give it a label you easily recognize, like Photoshop or Illustrator. Be more specific if you want. It's good to change the icon. Right-click the icon again and select Properties on Windows. For the Settings box on the Shortcut tab, you'll see Change Icon. Click that from the selection of icons. Choose the Adobe Apps icon, click Apply, and then OK. On Mac, you'll select Get Info, and you can drag your preferred icon visual into the Get Info window. That's it. Now, double-click your new shortcut to quickly launch the application. You can make shortcuts for all your favorite Adobe Creative Cloud apps. Now you add easier access to apps, perfect for your creative workflow. Subscribe and let me know what Adobe tips you'd like to learn next.